Hi friends, welcome to my channel once again. Now this is an educational video regarding location and function of different organs of our body. You have to use the keywords wherever necessary. Just use the keywords. Don't go beyond that. Only little one. So first is cerebrum. As you know that cerebrum is present in the brain. Where is its location? It is located within the bony cranium. Cranium means brain box, from the frontal bone anteriorly to the occipital bone posteriorly. So here within the bony cranium, this is the keyword. Its function is voluntary muscle movement, memory, thought, intelligence, speech, hearing, smelling, involuntary movements, vision, touch, and planning. Next comes hypothalamus. This is also present in the brain. This is located at the floor of diencephalon in the forebrain. Its functions are, number one is thermoregulations. It keeps the body temperature at 37 degrees Celsius. So hence it is called thermostat of the body. Next is it is the center for appetite. It is the center for thirst and satiety. Number three, it maintains homeostasis. Homeostasis means making internal environment as usual, means complete internal environment at 37 degrees Celsius, the body pH, etc., everything normal. Number four is it secretes hormones to regulate pituitary gland. Then comes cerebellum. Cerebellum is located behind the top part of the brainstem and below the cerebrum's temporal and occipital lobes. Its functions are voluntary movement, balance and posture, and it maintains muscle tone. Next is medulla oblongata. This is the last part of the brain. It is present at the base of the brain where the brainstem connects brain to the spinal cord. At the base of the brain. This is the keyword. Functions: it involuntary movements like sneezing, coughing, vomiting, hiccuping, etc., belching, etc. It regulates heartbeat. It regulates breathing rate. Next is heart. Heart is located within the thoracic cavity medially between the lungs in the space called mediastinum. Its main function, everybody knows, it pumps blood throughout the body. Aorta. Aorta is the largest artery. It begins at the top of left ventricle. It extends upward into the chest to form an arch known as aortic arch and continues downward into the abdomen. Its function is it starts the systemic circulation of the blood. 7 is papillary muscles. It is present in the ventricles of the heart. Its functions to attach the cusps of atrioventricular valves via chordae tendineae. Then tricuspid valve. It is present in between the right atrium and right ventricle. It prevents backflow of blood from ventricle to the atrium. Next is mitral valve, also known as bicuspid valve. It is in between the left atrium and left ventricle. Its function is prevents backflow of blood from left ventricle to the left atrium. Similarly, spinal cord, a long bundle of nerves extending from the lower portion of the brain to the lower part, passing through neural canal of vertebral column. Its functions are, it is the center for coordinating many reflexes and contains reflex arcs. Next is it transfers nerve signals from motor cortex to the body. So that much till now. Well, thank you very much and best of luck.